The fact of the matter is the Palestinian cause is an evil one.
Yeah, and Congressman, there is a ceasefire deal on the table right now that the White House is hoping both Israel and Hamas will sign on to. Does this shooting change anything when it comes to the course of the war or the negotiations to end it?
Well, I think it speaks to the importance of the only end of the conflict is complete and total surrender by those who support Muslim terror. In World War II, we did not negotiate a surrender with the Nazis. We did not negotiate a surrender with the Japanese. We nuked the Japanese twice in order to get unconditional surrender.
It's Republican Congressman Randy Fine from Florida, who seems to think it's totally okay to kill a ton of innocent people, to nuke. I mean, he's referencing what the United States did in using nuclear weapons against Japan as if it's a good thing. That was his response to a question about how the killings of 2 Israeli embassy staffers is going to get in the way of a ceasefire. He doesn't want a ceasefire.
Yeah.
No negotiating, no ceasefire. In the past, we just nuke them.
Yeah, so Randy Fine is obviously deeply racist. He's a disgusting pig of a man. And he's also incredibly stupid, and you could attach any adjective you like to that, and I don't care. And so this pig comes on TV and goes, "Can you believe they killed 2 people? It's terrible and disgusting," which is of course true. Then he turns around and goes, "You see how violent they are? That's why we should kill 2 million of them. We should nuke them and kill 2 million of them because of how violent."